Alright, second set. We'll see if it's gonna be a different story. Letran Lady Knights, Perpetual Lady Altas. For Perpetual, Min Sapin is still on the bench, starting as setter. Etong si Fifi Ariola who activated Aldea.
Yan, itong middle blockers ang so far ang susi ng Perpetual. They really need to step up, especially in times like this na talagang checked ang kanilang outside hitters.
Oh, difficult first ball. Ito, Chansa para sa Lady Altas. The back set, Cordero. Error on Letran.
I think Makilang touched the net on her way down.
So 2-0. This is the ideal start for Perpetual as Dapol continues to serve. She had one ace earlier. Better first ball for Letran. They head to Nitura. Judel with a checkout. That was a nice swing by Judel Nitura.
The blockers were there, pero ginamit niya yung right hand to swipe it out.
Oh, that's outside.
Service goes out.
Akala ni Makilang pasok.
Yes.
Pero lumabas daw, sabi nung ating
The linesman called it out.
Yeah.
Serving for Perpetual team captain, Dea Aldea.
Aldea. Estrelier to Martin. Ooh! Tatawid ni Silva. Here comes Perpetual. Combination. Wow.
Sack error, point goes to the Lady
What a
Knights.
wasted opportunity. Nahuli na sana nila yung blockers, pero masyadong nauna si Shyla for that hit. Nalunod siya.
Serving now for Letran is Royce De La Cruz.
Bihira yun para sa Perpetual Lady Altas. Point at sink yung team na to. Ariola.
Against the triple block, that is.
Yeah. Underhand setup. 4-2. Martin. Oh, the blockers were there. Off speed. Easy up. Omipon. That one is deflected. Ball in transition. Oh, hinabol ni Lozano.
Good
Omipon
read from
again.
Lozano.
Shai Omipon.
So, Shai Omipon.
Walang gigil on that point. Nakita niya kung saan ang butas.
Yeah. Sharp
Opting
kill.
for a sharper kill. A softer, sharper kill in the middle.
Yeah, precisely. Soft and sharp to the right spot. Ledesma. Hindi gagana. Off speed. Ooh! Single block. Isa pa. That one, kinargahan ni Omipon. Masyado namang malakas.
Yeah, that was just too strong for Omipon. Alam naman natin kung gaano kalakas pumalo itong si Omipon.
But I like the intention kasi walang tao sa likod eh. Napalakas lang. Judel Nitura with 5 points already. Letran staying with Perpetual. Wow, what a dump. Although it's picked up. Martin. Here comes Perpetual. Winnie Bedanya goes wide.
Sack goes out, point goes.
Sumobra yung kabig itong si Bedanya. She was still aiming for that same spot na tinatamaan niya kanina pa, pero it just went too wide this time.
So after a slow start, Letran is back to within 1. Oh! Too low for Bedanya. Tabla tayo sa set number 2.
After the first set, surprised pa ba tayo?
Naghahabulan lang yung dalawang teams natin. Kahit gaano kalaki yung lamang nila sa isa't isa. Bedanya that time, that set was too low for her. At least for her ideal attempt. Omipon! Detonates.
A good set from Ariola also. Coming from a great receive from Dapol. Ang ganda ng sequence na yun.
Yeah. Let's check this one out. Ariola to Omipon. Pinadaan pa. Sabi niya, daanan ko si Ledesma. Good serve. Martin. Nandun sa likod si Shai. Tapol! The blockers again were there. It is alive. It's gonna be sent across. Ito na ang Perpetual. Went for the dump. Tapol! Yes!
Finally, Dapol.
Her first point of an attack. Mary Rose Dapol.
Kanina pa nagigigil to si Mary Rose. Finally, she gets one down the line.
And it came early in the second set. 7-5. 1-2 for Estrelier.
Estrelier.
Nice one from Natalie Estrelier.
Good decision. And you kind of saw it coming.
Oo nga, medyo maaga niya, nataas yung kamay niya, but still, Perpetual was unprepared for that.
Of course, not hybrid yan in the previous season. Setter, spiker.
Spiker.
Oo. Pero ito, si Winnie Bedanya, right height, right attack for Bedanya will send us to our first technical timeout. Pagbalik natin, it's gonna be Christine San Agustin.
Bigong makapasok sa 2024 Paris Olympics si Tokyo Olympic gold medalist at Pinay weightlifter na si Heidelin Diaz. Hindi nakamit ni Diaz ang kailangang puntos sa 59 kg weightlifting category sa qualification rounds ng 2024 IWF World Cup. Dagdag naman sa listahan ng pambato ng Pilipinas para sa Paris Olympics ang Pinay weightlifter na si Elrin Ando. Pinataob ni Ando si Diaz sa parehong
The NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Before the huddle ended earlier, Coach O reminded the Lady Knights of three things. That's their EQ, their IQ, and SQ, giving great emphasis on SQ or their spiritual quotient because for them, if they play with nothing but heart and faith, every good thing will follow. Meanwhile, Coach Sandy emphasized the Lady Altus's maturity, viewing it as their greatest strength. And since he believes that their team is already matured enough, he challenge everyone in the team to make smarter decisions and be more proactive in any situation that may arise. Get insights from our two wise men. Let's see how this will play out in the hard court. But for now, Martin and Kara.
Maraming salamat, Christine. Well, Coach Sandy, this is a challenge now for his team. They don't face a lot of these, challenges in the NCAA because of how good this team is. But so far, they're executing here in set number 2. For Coach O, I like how he emphasized SQ. Diba?
Napaka-holistic ng break na yon to discuss all that.
Marami siyang napunta doon si Coach O. And we saw also earlier, etong Lady Knights nagme-meditate to in between sets. They dead on focus or focused on this match. Silang! It's been a while for Gia.
And yun nga, yung pag-meditate nila kanina, so far, nakikita naman natin na yung performance nila shows na they're visualizing the right things.
Are we seeing shades of Rondina on Makilang? I think ito rin yung sinabi ni Anton in the previous coverage.
Yes.
Meron elevation. Ayun o. Yep. Pero yun.
Sumobra lang.
Pero iba naman yung level ni Cici rin. 10-8. Fifi Ariola, who has gotten extended minutes for Coach Sandy today. Makila, bumawi si Gia. And that's what you like. Estrelier, binigyan ulit ng kumpiyansa itong si Makilang after the attack error earlier.
Kita natin yung elevation ni Makilang. Again, yung confidence niya despite not being the tallest of spikers.
Ariola, reverse set. Oh, Dapol puts it down. So that's a better attempt for Daps Dapol.
Yun. Clean hit from our MVP.
Third point already in the match. And now, she will be serving. Netura! May pambawi.
Juliet Netura.
Nitura with one of her own. Bawian ng palo. Grabe.
Oo. Wala talagang lumalayo. Di ba? And these two teams, very well matched. Oh! A service ace!
It's an ace.
Aquila getting one from Mary Rose Dapol.
Wow. Even targeting the MVP who's been digging well in this match. Reception is another story though. Dahil kanina pa, as a team nahihirapan yung Perpetual. Eto, this is a better pass. Omipon is checked. Cortero, Andy G. Silva. Tulak. Ball is still in play. Omipon! Barreling through the block.
The power of Shiloh Mipon that Letran cannot contain.
Breaking the glass right here.
Sarado na yung block pero lusot pa din.
12-11. Tumabla pala tayo kanina. Ngayon, abante na ng isa ang Perpetual. Razel Aldea. Back set to Judiel. Off speed. Easy up. Omipon, too strong.
Goes out.
She was under the ball for that one.
12 all. Gusto kong mini-mention yung score kasi para ma-re-emphasize kung gaano tayo kadikit dito.
Kung kanina, puro runs, ngayon ayaw magbitaw.
Ayaw magbitaw, yeah. Melendres, by the way, is in for the Lady Knights. And here she is, setting up Nitura. Oh!
Double contact.
Double contact on Fifi Ariola. Letran is in front all of a sudden.
First team serving 12.
Yan. Oo. Pagbitaw pa lang niya, alam na niya.
Alam na niya. How about this? The Lady Knights are in front after being behind predominantly here in set number 2. Martin! Oh, sends it away. 2 puntos na ang abante ng Letran.
Ang ganda ng coverage. Itong Letran. So far, nag-improve itong blocking ng Perpetual.
Yeah.
Pero mas lumalaban sa paluan ngayon ng Letran.
Wow. Ariola. Cordero. They go to Bedanya. Oh,
What a dig.
yeah. Judel. Cordero again.
Oh,
Too strong.
Attack goes out. Point goes
6-1 run for the Letran Lady Knights to take the 3-point advantage.
parang ginijinx natin. Kanina sinasabi natin dikit. Ngayon may run.
Meron na. Abangan natin yung counter ng Perpetual. Tignan natin. But this is some kind of move from the Lady Knights. Make that 7-1 run as we head to our second technical timeout.
Good job sa kanyang pagbabalik sa Olympic stage si Pinay weightlifter Elrin Ando. Matapos po yan ang matagumpay niyang performance sa Women's 59kg event ng 2024 IWF World Cup sa Phuket, Thailand. Nakabuhat siya ng total na 228 kilograms at nakakuha pa ng ika-7 pwesto. Naungusa ng 25-year-old Pinay weightlifter ang kapwa-atleta at Tokyo Olympics gold medalist na si Heidelin Diaz sa parehong kategorya.
Ating laban. It is a Turner to update on the numbers so far of Mary Rose Dapol. She has 4 points. 3 dito sa set number 2. Finally getting 3 attacks as well.
A very quiet game so far para dito sa ating reigning MVP. Parang pinag-aralan talaga siya ng kalaban.
Sir Peter Caico, Mancom representative of Arellano University. Arellano will be in action later in the afternoon. Here we go. Set 2 continues. Combination. Nakaabang si Ledesma and that's a kill block
Ledesma.
for Ledesma.
Grabe tong Letran. Talagang parang pinag-aralan talaga nila yung blocking nila for this game.
On point, ano?
Oo.
Tsaka, walang pinapatawid halos. Kung hindi tumatawid, deflected.
Yes.
Omipon, that time. Yeah,
Shy
on the
Omipon.
line for Shy. Going over the blockers.
With a much-needed point right now. Parang kailangan nila i-boost yung sarili nila.
Yeah.
Medyo nagsascramble sila.
This is not the Perpetual that we know.
Minmin
Sapin is back in after an extended stay at the bench. Primary setter of Perpetual is back on the floor. Ito si Min Sapin. That's a good serve. Good reception as well. Combination for Judiel. Sinagot ni Dapol.
Ang ganda ng dig ni Mary Rose.
Push shot will not work. Here comes Omipon. Oh, the blockers again with it. One more time for Shy. Oh, Silva saves it. Martin will try. Dug up. Okado with the push. Inangat pa. Long rally here. Martin! Oh!
Great defense
Oh!
from both teams.
Judel! Oh! Placing game for Nitura.
I think everyone was holding their breath until that final drop shot from Nitura.
What a rally. Omipon. Even this one, Silva was able to get to it.
Great coverage. Kanina ko pa sinasabi, great coverage from both teams.
18-13. Sapin. Great quick. Joust won by Perpetual. Nasa sahig pa itong si Estrelier.
Nagkabanggaan.
Gaan. So 14-18. Yeah,
Ayan o.
not falling down.
Pero great effort pa rin.
Gusto mo yung effort din ni Silva to step over Estrelier bago niya idig yun. 8 points for Omipon so far, as you see. Not 1-2! Di pa rin nababasa.
Another one from Estrelier.
And she has that in her bag. Ito, not Estrelier. Oh, that time, medyo mas unpredictable yung dump niya.
And I think she's a lefty too,
Lefty,
so dominant arm niya talaga yan.
So 19-14. Jump serve from Martin. Difficult first ball. Hindi tumawid.
Attack error, point goes to the Lady Knights.
Mula kay Almeñana. 2014. Can Letran take a commanding lead in the match? We'll find out in a bit. Coach Sandy will call for ceasefire.
Ayaw mo yan. Mabalik na lang yung bola, hindi mo maibalik. Sigurado lang, nataranta tayo eh. Yung set, kapapaalala ko lang siya, di ba? Ayaw nyo, pasok dito eh. Kapapaalala ko siya, nangyari na naman oh. Ayaw nyo mag-focus eh. Natataranta kayo dyan, gusto yung mabulagan tayo. Isa-isa lang, isa-isa lang.
Let's go, let's go. Kalma lang, guys.
Yan, Coach Sandy Rieta. Tama, sa volleyball talaga, hindi pwede yung sobrang advanced ka mag-isip. Diba? Lara May Silva today. Wow, these are solid numbers. 8 excellent digs, 8 excellent receptions. Kaya, laging magandang execution nitong
giving a
Letran.
lot of opportunities to make plays.
And even with the first balls, maganda yung kuha nito ni Silva. Almeñana, bumawi agad-agad.
Better execution there. Coach Sandy earlier reminding them na natataranta sila, and I think pati sila hindi rin nila nakukuha yung alam nilang galaw nila eh.
Yeah.
Kaya mas natataranta pa sila.
That's right. 15-20. Oof. Boy pa to. Chance ball for Perpetual. Tulak. Again, it's Almeñana.
Nag-adjust siya. She wasn't in the right spot to take that hit, pero ginawa niya ng paraan.
At medyo nakaka-intimidate para sa kanya. Ang sumabay sa kanya, triple block.
Oh. She took off too early, pero she still made it a point.
Great hit. Makilang off the hands of the blockers.
Makilang.
21-16.
Ang ganda ng set ni Natalie Estrella for that. Sharp, giving Makilang the chance to really swipe that off the blocker's hands.
Submission.
And now they can do this. This is, you know, when you're on the lead, or you're in the lead rather,
and now serving for Letran.
Tapos may mga ganyang scorer sa wings mo, pipili ka na lang puporsyento ka. Ito this is Almirante, who scored an ace to end set number 1, is back in. Almeñana. Ito, na-deflect na. Makilang. Drop. Save ng Perpetual. Running hit for Melendres. Saping. Difficult set. Aldea to the middle.
Marcel Aldea.
Better coverage from Perpetual, better playmaking in that sequence. Mas kampante.
Minsapin connecting with Aldea. At saka, that was the right play. Kasi hindi scouted yun or hindi na-anticipate ng Letran.
Nakaabang sila sa outside hitters. And Minsapin giving it to the middle.
So, Fifi Ariola is in. Wow, so only a brief entry for Minsapin. She's back on the bench. Makilang! Wow!
Sa wind-up pa lang, alam mo nang malakas yung palo na yun.
Yeah, how about this?
She's right in front of us. Nakita natin yung approach niya. Ayan explosive from Makilang.
Elevation, approach, and then the put down.
Tapos parang wala lang.
Parang wala lang, no? Business as usual. Alam mo, may shades nga of CC Rondina. Yeah, I see it now. Good wind up. Cordero tries. It's alive. Back to Judel. Ariola to Razel. Silva with a pickup. Makilang.
Another one.
Back-to-back points for Gia.
Sa ano pa lang sa tunog ng spike, ng contact niya sa bola, alam mo nang malakas.
Look at this.
Time out, Perpetual.
Makilang with a spike.
Papalo mo. Papasok mo lang dun, Tingnan sila, paano magpalo? Masyadong malayo ng approach mo. Diyan ka lang, malilit ka talaga. 22-17 pa lang yan, Kakagulunan pa rin tayo, Second set na to,
Let's go.
Tayo, hindi pa tapos yan, Parang tayo yung mukha nyo.
Nahirapan kumapit dito ang Perpetual Lady Altas.
Yes, si Coach Sandy taking a pause for the girls. Very much overwhelmed Perpetual Lady Altas right now. Again, hindi tayo sanay sa ganitong laro nila.
Serving 17.
From last year, again, they only lost twice, including the Final Four last season. In the eliminations, only lost to Benilde. Tapos, Final Four lost to LPU. That's how dominant they've been in the NCAA. Ooh! Again, the blockers are active for Letran. Wow!
Better execution there.
Nagulat tayo. Meron pala siya nun. Almeñana. Sai Almeñana. But how about the dive from Lozano to keep the ball up? And then Almeñana went down the line for that kill.
Maganda naman yung response from the timeout.
And touch.
Net touch naman ang tinawag sa Letran. Perpetual trying to stay alive in set number 2. Again, if you fall behind 2 sets to none,
mas mahirap yun.
Mahirap na. Nakakapagod yun. Judel. Picked up. Umipon! Oh, that's a point for Shai Omipon.
Shai Umipon, as usual, yan yung yan yung signature.
Yeah.
Power spike from Shai Umipon.
Kargado yung wind-up doon ni Shai Umipon. Coach O calls for time.
Ang nangyari sa atin, dahil hindi tayo nakapatay, nag-uwara tayo sa balik ng bola. Okay. Pag hindi tayo nakapatay, ready kagad tayo sa counter. Sino pupuntahan ng bola? Open si Umipon! Sunod na puntan kagad yung pwesto. Disiplina sa depensa. Magandang receive, baka may quick muna. Again. EQ, IQ, SQ! Now, pangalawa. Aggressive pero nag-iisip. Di understand? Good. Repeatedly.
Okay. Nakuha ko doon. Aggressive pero nag-iisip.
Nag-iisip. Tama.
And you saw from that particular timeout and heard na talagang yung nakuha na ni Coach O yung buy-in ng players dun sa philosophy niya, sa programa niya.
Slowly talagang nilive nila through yung game, yung kanyang philosophy sa paglalaro. Ang lalim.
Oo nga eh. Teka lang. Ano isa ba?
Nag-SQ. Tapos ang lalim. Ang aga-aga pa.
10:41 a.m. pa lang po. Ganito na yung usapan. Wow!
Ang ganda.
Oh!
It's a block by
Ang
Gia
ganda nung
Makilang.
palo. Pero yung point niya, mas magandang block.
You gotta see the first attempt and the second. Ito muna. Yung kill block ni Gia Makilang.
Serving for the set is Gia
Flew in
Makilang.
first for the attempt, but Umipon was able to pick it up. Set point.
Oh!
It's a days.
Wow. It's the same ending.
Yeah. A service ace to end set number 2. Gia Makilang providing the last 2 points for Letran. They now take a commanding 2-0 lead. Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa set number 3? Aabangan natin sa ating pagbabalik.